Welcome! In this video, I will learn you how to use the SD card module with the Arduino. Here you can see all the connections required. The module cannot handle high-capacity memory cards. In the Arduino software, you can find some example programs to get this module up and running. Today, I will show you how to log data. Make sure you have the chip select on default. This is the only connection that can be used with other pins. The rest is fixed because the module interfaces in the SPI protocol. In this example, the first 3 analog pins will be saved on the SD card. Make sure that your name for the file is not bigger than 8 characters, otherwise it won't work. And now you have saved the data on the SD card. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe!